Hi guys, it's Clyde again from PT3D, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about the HICTOP White PLA. So you ready? Let's do this. Alright, as you guys know, over the past several months I've been using a product called Tech Orbits. Well, one of the things that I have discovered about Tech Orbits is that it's a great beginner, great economy line filament, but far from perfect. For example, I printed this and I interrupted the print. This is a display that I'm working on for potentially doing an Octoprint setup. I haven't decided yet. This is the 5-inch touchscreen that I had to design a kind of a handle for and a protective case. Well, in the process of doing this, I realized that the brim on this is very brittle, which is good, don't get me wrong, okay? But it feels like this is really, really dry in terms of like the way it comes off. So it's kind of, I don't know if it'll break or not, but I don't know, it's just hard to explain. It feels kind of just dry. Now maybe it's the PLA being aged, but this is PLA that's less than 2 weeks old, so I find that hard to believe. This was from the batch of PLA that I had ordered that didn't have a really good vacuum seal. It looked like it had leaked at some point. I had also printed out my 20 by 20 millimeter cube. A little bit of the Z-axis was off and stuff like that. I had talked about that in a different video, so I'm not going to harp on that now. But this is the finish. The other thing I had printed with it was also my tie clip that I designed that I could put on my tie because I didn't have a tie clip. That being said, up until now that's what I have been using because it was affordable to me and it was allowing me to do rapid prototyping work for what I do. Well, recently I decided I'm going to mix it up and found a really good price on the HICTOP PLA White. Now I do have some issues with this, but that's okay. But I'm going to tell you that I have never used what I consider to be a real filament. Okay, this isn't like a color Fabb filament or Matter Hackers filament or anything like that, or Proto. This is, it's a HICTOP PLA. But what I do like about this is it kind of has it's a bone white color. You can see that. Now I am doing a very large run of these. This is for that YMCA project for the Valentine's Day for the kids to paint, and I could not be happier with the way these are coming out. The filament, I mean, it's night and day when you're using a filament that's slightly better than what you were using initially. Yeah, I'm printing 70 of these wonderful little heart-shaped boxes for the kids, which they really like, and they have been painting them for mom and dad and for anybody else. So, if you're a new 3D printer, operator, maker, if you're doing stuff that you don't want to keep, then use cheap filaments. Okay, if you're wanting to get the most out of your printer, as I'm learning now, filament is a game changer for you. So I know that the price tag can be daunting at times. You're looking at something that's 19 to 20 bucks, and now you're talking about maybe going up to that next level of about $30. If you're a hobbyist and you're just trying to make things work, then this is a good way to go. Okay, I mean, this will get you close to whatever dimensional accuracy you're looking for, as long as your printer's set up, of course. But you're not going to get that finish that you're looking for. Now, if you're doing props and just painting and stuff, then maybe this is the right filament for you. But I am going to take that next step, and I'm going to start getting nicer filament. So, from me to you, whether you appreciate my opinion or not, I'm not going to stick with the HICTOP Filament most likely, but I think I am going to play with it for a little longer and see what I like about it. But other than that, happy Valentine's Day, guys, and I'm sorry I didn't have anything special. I mean, I consider the YMCA project to be very special, but it's occupying all of my 3D printing time at the moment. So, all the same, happy Valentine's Day to you, and we'll see you next time.